My name is Lina Lopez. Today I will present the weather in the city of Medellin. I start with the day Thursday, August 26. Will be a bit clouded with a small view of sun and with a probability of having showers in the afternoon and at night. Next, Friday, August 27. It will be sunny in the morning and afternoon, but in the evening at night it will be cloudy. Next, Saturday, August 28. Will be a little sunny but at the same time cloudy in the morning and afternoon. But at night it can get rains. Next, Sunday, August 29. Approximately in the morning there will be sun. In the afternoon it is possible that there will be rains and at night it will be cloudy. Monday, August 30. Will be possible have rains both in the morning and in the afternoon, and the night will be cloudy. Activities for a weekend with a probability of rain, we have a series of activities that we can do. 1. Family board games. 2. Cook a good meal. 3. Make a popcorn to watch a movie or go to the cinema. 5. Read a book. 4. List exercise. 6. Listen to music. 7. Relax in the bed. Thank you for your time.